Hello friends, this is Richa. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how I have created this Zen wall in my living room. These frames are custom made, but if you are having some old frames lying around in your home, then this DIY is a great project for you to add some ethnic or traditional touch to your home. This wall decor is a great way to repurpose and cherish those precious things which belong to you or to your loved ones. So if you are looking for something unique or a wall decor that has some personal touch, then no need to go to any market. Just take out your old kurti, dupatta, sari from your wardrobe which you are lying under there for years and watch this video till the end to get an absolutely delightful outcome.
Now let me first show you what all things I required for creating this wall decor. This is the Buddha face which is made up of brass and I purchased it for rupees 350. And the second thing which I used is this old kurta. It has got beautiful brocade work all over. So what I did, I used the back side of my kurta fabric as a backdrop for Buddha face. Get it framed in a shadow box. Now for complementing this Buddha shadow box, what I did is I used these motifs of my kurta and got them framed also. So here I cut two small motifs for getting this overall stunning look. And see how intelligently a small Buddha face and an old kurta came together to create a beautiful Zen wall for me.
Hope you all like this wall decor idea. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload any new video. And don't forget to hit a like and share with your loved ones. Thank you. Bye bye.